So guys, if you are facing some issue in media creative tool, so I will give you solution in this video. So guys, first method, open any browser, press download media creations tool and go to first link, which is Microsoft official websites. Open new tab. Click to download. This is road for downloading. Then guys, click on find the locations. Open the location which is installed. Okay, and guys, right click to run as administrator. First, do not open this. Run as administrator and then give to yes. Okay, wait few minutes and it will be start. Okay, next method, check system update. So before using tool, ensure the system full up to date. So open setting and then click to Windows update. And check for update. Install any pending update, then try media creative again. Okay, if you facing in some issue same, so follow this method. As next method, disable antivirus or security software temporarily. So click to start. Some antivirus softwares might be block the media creative tool from the focusing currently. So temporarily disable the antivirus and any third party firewalls and try to run the tool. If you using Windows Defender, so disable real-time protections. So click to start and type security, Windows security. This is Windows Defender and click this. Okay, then click to virus and threat protections, then slow down, again click to manage setting, then tag real of this, yes, and cloud protections also disable this one also, and temper protections also disable it, and then close it. Guys, ensure you spend this space, so check your C drive space. If it is full, so might be issues come by the space. Okay, so might be you have to space almost 50 GB. Next, check group policy setting if applicable your system. Okay, so if you are using Windows Pro Enterprises versions, checking for any group settings, blocking and update. So guys, first method, Windows R and type gp edit.msc and then hit enter. Okay, then click to computer configurations, administrator template, extract this, then Windows component. Okay, this is Windows component, then Windows update, scroll down, Windows update. Okay, ensure the policies do not include the driver. Legacy Pro. I think this is for the Windows. this one. Okay, in the manage update of our Windows. So double click and not enable. Okay, not configure. Select this one, not configure. Otherwise you can select enabled. Not configure, then apply, and then okay. Run Windows troubleshooter. So click to start and then click to setting, then click to system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters. Okay, then Windows update, and for printer, for internet, for audio. Okay, and this is for Bluetooth, this is for cameras, and like all. Okay, so this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.